All right, guys, exercise 34, my beautiful sketch, totally not. Sketching helps. Pause the video and make this little sketch so you understand. So when you look at this bridge, this here, where the points B, C, and A are on it, that is the parabola. This one is a cup parabola because you can fill it up, it's a cup parabola. The formula that belongs to this graph, I'll write it down. Y equals 0.005 x to the power of 2 plus 5. The cables of a suspension bridge in figure 6.11 are in the shape of a parabola. Yeah, the cables here. Of course, there are stripes here as well. I didn't draw that one, but to attach it. The formula that belongs to this parabola is this one. In the formula, y is the height in meters above the water surface. Because if you look carefully in the sketch in the book, there's also water here. Over here we have water on this side, and it is the height above the water. So don't forget the height here above this water surface. Yeah, that's the idea. So takes x is 20, which would be, because the x is over here, the y is over here. If x is 20, that would be around here. What is the height of the cable? So what you do, the usual, you fill in x is 20, you fill it into your formula. You get y equals 0.005 times 20 to the power of 2 plus 5. Now, you have to show this step because there's no table. But you can use the calculator as well because we're using decimal numbers. So we type 0.005 times 20 to the power of 2 plus 5. You get a height of 7 meters. 7 meters. So over here, this is 20, yeah? And over here, it's 7 meters high, the cable from the water surface. Excuse me, my sketch is not on point. The 0 is not there, but the 0 is indeed from the water. So the 0 is here. So 7 meters, that means all the way here, this is 7 meters. The height is 7 meters. Now, let's continue. How many meters above the water is point A? Look at point A, which x belongs to point A, that is the 50. So we can fill in x is 50. You have to write this down as well because then I know you know what the x is that belongs to the point A. It's like a coordinate. You fill in 50, you show how you do it. Pause the video, grab the calculator, and see what you get out of it. And if you've done it correctly, you will get 17.5 meters. So 17.5 meters, that is all the way up here from the water surface, 17.5 meters. So you actually also know because of symmetry that negative 50 will also give 17.5. Yeah, on the y x, 17.5. That's something you know. Now, see, how many meters above the water is point B? B is over here. The x that belongs to B is 0 because it's in the middle. You see it here in the sketch too. You fill in x is 0. You write also for me down how you fill it into your formula. And then start calculating, guys. Pause the video again. And if you do it correctly, you will get 5 meters. 5 meters is the height over there. And now the last one. There is a bird over here. Point C, he's chilling, he's sitting. And the bird is 13 meters over here, 13 meters above the water surface. Yeah, above the water, 13. So that means the x is not 13, but the y is now 13. And we're looking for the x. Well, how can you approach this one? Let's just fill in the calculator and, figure it out. You know it's close to 50 and less closer to 0. So perhaps we can start calculating. Maybe you use the little stripes that you see because in between the starting point here, there are little stripes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 pillars, you can say, or you just try it out. So you can see maybe 0.005 times, let's put in 40. 40 to the power of 2 plus 5. What do we get? We get it immediately. No. Okay. But let's say you're figuring it out. So maybe you would try 35. You see, oh no, that's not enough. Then you know, okay, I have to look for more. Let's try 37. You would see, oh, that's still not enough. Maybe if I try 39, you would see, hey, I'm almost there, 12.6. Let's say it's 41. Oh, I passed it. So that's when you know it is 40. That was not my idea to immediately get the right answer. It is, oops, if I'm not hearing it, it is, x is 40 because, and then you show it, because, and then you show y equals 0.05 times 40 to the power of 2 plus 5 will indeed give me 13 meters. So the last one was understanding that you want this answer, you want this height, and you need to look for the x, you need to search for it. Yeah, and that can be by filling it in, just trying, okay?